Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this color block nail design using Cherael and Rossi nail dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Rossi Nail Green Glitter known as Fresh Pine, Cherael Nail Nude Dip Powder known as Ensemble, and Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone, they both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of clear acrylic powder to my nails. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. Now, starting on the ring finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I dip it into Cherael Nude Dip Powder. I did 3 layers of this. I'm placing some of my Ensemble dip powder into another container because I didn't want to contaminate my nude dip powder with the Rossi glitter too much. This is my favorite nude dip powder at the moment, so I'm going to be using it a lot. So now onto the pinky nail, I applied base to the whole nail. And then I angled my finger into the green glitter dip powder to create a side fringe, and then I poured the nude dip powder on my nails. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. Now on the middle finger, I apply base to the whole nail. And then I angled my finger into the green glitter dip powder, then the nude dip powder, then the green again, and so on, ensuring to leave my finger in the dip powder for a few seconds before moving on to the other color, and sometimes dusting off the excess powder before dipping into the other powder. Also, wipe off your brush before dipping into the base bottle again. I usually don't wipe off my base brush when I'm doing solid colors, but for glitter I always do so. I did 3 layers, but I only showed 2 layers. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now, on the index finger, I apply base to the whole nail. And then I laid my finger into the ensemble dip powder. At first I was going to do the design where the green glitter had a thin strip down the center of the nail with the nude on the both sides. But I got lazy and this is what I ended up doing. I also did 3 layers of this, but I only showed 2 layers. Now on the thumb, I did a chevron moon design. Then I proceeded to encapsulate the nails with some Pro Dip Clear Dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nails, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. And now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply dip powder top coat or gel top coat, and I chose gel top coat. So now I'm applying some gel Mother One's gel glue to my ring finger because I'm going to be applying some rhinestones. Then I apply my Model 1's gel top coat. Now I'm applying my rhinestones. So I cured the nails for 30 seconds and then I waited for it to cool down. Then I applied my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!